Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, as you can see, you got the orange Nike box. Blase, nothing to see there. So what we got today is the Air Max Penny in deep royal blue, gem red, and white. Now, these retail for $160 and they release on June the 30th, 2018. Now enough of the box, man. Let's go ahead and get to what the main attraction. Here it is, the Air Max Penny 1 Royal Blue. Now this is Penny Hardaway's original sneaker. And this colorway pays homage to Lil Penny. You know, the little puppet that used to show up in all the classic 90s Nike ads. You know, these are dressed up in like a deep royal blue with the little gem red accents all throughout the shoe. You know what I'm saying? On the bottom, you see you got the all white bottom, big red Nike check. Pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? Across the top, you see you got the small Nike, but along the tongue, you got the Nike, bigger Nike check. Medial side, plain, nothing on it. On the back, you see you got the Pros and Half Cent. Now, Pros is the team that Lil Penny played for on a little dream sequence they had back in on one of those commercials. You know what I'm saying? And got the Half Cent number embroidered on the back. I think that's pretty dope, man. You know what I mean? But I think this shoe is fire, man. You know, Nike trying to do what they do on certain shoes, man, and some of the surprise little quick strike releases. Now, I'm not sure if this is quick strike or what, you know what I mean, but I think it's dope. You see, you got the blue and red pull tab in the front and in the back. Pretty dope. I mean, let me know what y'all think about it, man. You feeling them? You're not? You never was a fan of this shoe? Whatever the case is. Now, the other shoe is identical. There's no difference between the two. All around pretty dope shoe to me, man. Now on the inside, see you got the white Nike Air. It's hot, man. There's a look at that small Nike, the front of the toe box. I mean, I'm hyped up about this shoe, man. You know, that's the pull tab at the tongue. Like I said, these release on June the 30th. You know what I'm saying? For $160. You know what I mean? So if you're feeling these, man, go ahead and get your chips ready. There's a look at that air unit in the back on the heel part of the shoe. You see the lines in the sole. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know, I think it's dope. So let me know what y'all think, man. You feeling it? You're not? Gonna get ready to cop these. You see the tongue, you got like a little mesh pattern all around the front of the tongue. You got the small rope laces. It's all around dope shoe to me, man. I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? So here's a better look at that air unit in the back. Got the red on the inside of it. All in all, man, it's pretty simple, pretty plain. Ain't really too much to get into about it. You know, this for all the old heads. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think, man. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when to drop another video. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Let's go ahead and get into this on feet, and I'ma holler back.